Hey man, say man, I just saved $200 and it wasn't by switching to Geico. I needed something done to my vehicle. The shop said it was gonna charge me $161, $181 plus the part. This guy I know said he was gonna charge me $200 including the part. I ordered the part to save on the price. Got on YouTube, did it my damn self. This morning took me 30 minutes and the part was only $37. YouTube and a little patience and a couple of tools go a long way. Let's go, fellas. Some ladies. Lou.